To equalize your JBL Charge, use the phone application JBL Portable. Select it and then you will find your speaker if it's connected over Bluetooth, of course. If you need help with that, there's the video on the upper right corner. Then select your speaker and you got the equalizer over here. So you can boost the treble, the mid, or the bass. Just right here. Personally, I like to push the treble a bit more as I find it's a bit weak by default. Note that for this to work, you need to not be in party mode. So you see, if I activate the party mode, it will be grayed out over here. So just make sure you're not in party mode. And that's how you equalize your JBL Charge.